Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Adunni of ADUNNI'S Space again, and guys, see how much my hair has grown. I am so excited, like I am so excited. If you're new on my channel, you're welcome. I am Adunni and I am a lifestyle content creator based in Abuja, Nigeria. I share hair tutorials to help you save money and still look good, okay? So my last hairstyle was micro twist. Then I did a video on how I took down my micro twist, which if you haven't seen it, I don't know, make sure you watch it after this one. It will be linked in the description box. So in today's tutorial, I am putting my hair into another protective hairstyle. My hair has been out for about a week and a few days, and I am doing this faux locks using Brazilian wool. God help me, I only have 2 full packs of Brazilian wool, and these are from a previous tutorial that never made it to the channel because I just didn't like the outcome. So now I am just trying to fluff it out. I measured it out. If this is not the first time you're watching any of my tutorial, you know how I measure out my Brazilian wool. So I measure it out and cut it into a desired length. Now I have a mirror directly in front of me to my side with this sitting position, and I have properly detangled my hair, and I'm just parting my hair to prep it for the faux locks that we're about to do with this Brazilian wool. This is not the first time I am doing something like this on this channel, but this is a bit different because that one was a proper African threading style, which can still go for faux locks, but no, this is totally different from a previous hairstyle that you might have seen on this channel. I absolutely love the outcome of this particular hairstyle. If you definitely saw the pictures before we started the tutorial, I think it looks so good, and I've gotten a lot of compliments. So now I am parting it. I want it actually very big because I don't want anything that will take my time on this particular day.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my...
So I wanted it big, and now the first row at the back, I part it into 3. Now I am braiding my hair so that I can section it like so, that I know what I am working with. If this is not the first time you're watching my video, you know I like to pre-part, post-part. I just like prepping my hair. It makes it easier for me. So now after parting my hair and dividing the first row at the back into 3, I went ahead to braid each section that I had pre-part, just as you can see. I think my parting is getting better because, see, if you had seen my pattern before this day, you would thank God for me. So now I am counting 15 strands of this Brazilian wool. There are actually different types of Brazilian wool, but the particular one that I am using is the one that you can actually count the strands. Now I am trying to figure out the length that I want. I don't want something too long, and I also don't want something too short. I want like shoulder length so that I will be able to pack it, okay? And I was actually just still trying to figure out the length that I want. I later went ahead to just fold the whole length into 2, and it was just resting before my breast, okay? So a little bit below my shoulder, right? Yes, after my shoulder, below my shoulder. So now I took the Brazilian wool and I braided just, I think, 3-4 steps. And now I am taking 3 strands of the Brazilian wool to start the faux lock wrapping. Now this is where the work is, okay? So I just want you to watch what I am doing closely, okay? I just want you to watch what I am doing closely. I am gently wrapping it around and wrapping it around, and I also showed you how I am joining new Brazilian wool to the one that is already short. If you're new on my channel and you're still watching this video at this point and you find it helpful and you're not subscribed, hey sis, please click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. I also continued wrapping with 3 strands, just like I started it from the roots. So I kept wrapping up until the length that I was comfortable with, and you would see how I tied the knots at the tip. If you keep watching and you don't skip, please don't skip any ads on my channel. It's a little way of supporting me while I earn from you watching my video. So please subscribe, don't skip ad, give this video a like, drop a comment in the comment section, and just engage, do all those nice things you guys normally do. And we're currently at 2,000 and I think 13 subscribers, which I am so happy for. Like, I am so excited. I can't contain this joy. I can't even hide it. I can't even pretend that I am not happy. I am very, very excited. I just want to say thank you to every single person that has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you for engaging. And now I was still not comfortable with the length, so I still continue wrapping with 3 strands of Brazilian wool. And when I got to the length that I was okay with, I tied it like, I think twice. You would see when I get to that part of the video. I tied it twice, and I went ahead to do the entire first row of this hair. I absolutely think Faux Locs and threading is my go-to protective hairstyle because it's very easy, zero manipulation, your hair is protected, and it's raining now in Nigeria, so you definitely don't want your hair out. Like, you don't want your hair out. So I was okay with this length, and I am not even going to lie to you guys, probably because I made it myself. It was not tight at all. So now I had finished the first line, and I am just cutting off the excess Brazilian wool at the tip, and I am going to go ahead to bond the tip, so just to like protect the tip more so it doesn't unravel, because these wools can be very funny. So I went ahead to cut off the excess Brazilian wool that was left, and I bond the tip with a lighter. Like I always say, if you can't do this, make sure you find someone that can help you do it. I had a mirror in front of me, so it was a bit easy for me to do, and the fact that I was home alone, so I had to be very, very careful. I'm also a bit distracted because I was watching an Indian movie on the TV. I think the title is The Commando 2, and it was just to keep me company. It's really not my type of movie, but it was basically just to keep me company. So you can see the way I burnt the tip, nothing too much, just to make it more secure. I went ahead to do a bit more off camera, and now I am just showing you guys how I am parting the front part of my hair. Of course, I didn't get the center parting, and I didn't even realize that I didn't get the center parts until I had almost finished it, and I was just like, who cares? We are still going to slay, right? And that was absolutely what we did. So I'll leave you guys to continue watching up until the end, and I'll be back.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say.
So this was 2 days after I had filmed that tutorial. I finished late at night and I forgot to do an outro. This was how I went out. I packed it at the back and I just left 2 in front. I totally think it was given African Barbie. If you agree with me, let me know in the comment section. And if you don't, I still absolutely like this hairstyle. It's a very good protective hairstyle. Faux Locs is a very good protective hairstyle. I absolutely love it. And all I need to do is just keep my scalp moisturized and lay my edges, and off I go. I don't have to bother about packing, about styling and all of that. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section, and I'll see you in my very next one. Bye.